Hi, I'm Michelle Lepak, developer of the Present Psychotherapy Trauma Treatment Model and founder of the Present Psychotherapy Institute. Present Psychotherapy attunes to the client's innate spirituality and through a simple process helps them to experience presence in any of the many forms that it exists. By orienting to presence, clients are able to increase resilience and creativity to meet the challenges of the day and to process trauma from the past. You'll discover the 4 dimensions of presence and how they help clients easily access the many layers and nuance of trauma to resolve fight, flight, freeze, fawn, shock, heal attachment wounds, and experience well-being. Earn 28 CEs and immerse yourself in 4 dimensions of presence in a beautiful location. In between training sessions, you can relax in the garden, take out a kayak, explore complementary yoga and Tai Chi classes. Join me August 23rd to the 28th. Space is limited, so click on the link below to get more information and to register. I hope to see you there.